One down, five more to go. Let's go. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Jamaica just win 4-0, so it's a good day. Feels like a good day. So we could talk about what happened just on the game. But before we go any further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe, right down this here for brand new. Referee, Bloody West fam. Let's go. Yeah, what can I say? It was a decent game. A very, very decent game. It was a comfortable game. After that, Nandi Lowe get the first goal, as we said, Nandi Lowe's son, but after Nandi Lowe's son get the first goal, it felt like it was comfortable after. Yes, we had a few scares, but it was a comfortable game. However, my issue was prior to the game was this team playing this tennis football. We have in a defense and boot up in the forward line and try break on them. We saw a lot of that today, but we saw it controlled, and we saw them playing the ball through the midfield, which is what I've been asking for the longest. Right? We have international professional footballers in the team. Players I've never seen before. In number 7, I remember his name. But we had international professional footballers playing. We shouldn't be playing from defense to forward. Yes, we saw a lot of that today, but it was controlled, it was calm, and you saw them playing through the midfield, which is good. The third goal came from the number 8 picking up in the midfield and dribbling all the way down to the back and score. They can do that kind of stuff, bro. They can. It's just we haven't seen it too much, and the coach hasn't been telling them what to do, what to pick, the positions to pick up when receiving the ball from the defense to bring it through the midfield. He has been doing that. I don't know if he don't know to, if he doesn't know how to, or he just decided, okay, good, get the ball from the defense, boot up front. But we saw them playing some proper football today. Now, I caveat that with saying this is Bermuda, and it should have been 5 or 6 by the first half. But again, this is Bermuda. This is not Panama or USA or Canada. This is Bermuda, fam. The man should have 6 in the first half. Yeah? And Bermuda shouldn't be breaking like us on the first half like they did. And we'll talk about that later on in the video. But what I saw today was encouraging. Why is it encouraging? Because now I can focus on where the money will come from to go visit Jamaica, play in the World Cup, in the actual World Cup. Like me as a young man can say, I pick up my man and my friend and go Jamaica match or watch Jamaica play in the World Cup. I remember 1998 when Jamaica was at the World Cup. Now I can go and see them play in the World Cup, which the pinnacle of my life was watching Manchester United play in Manchester, and then the next pinnacle is watching the World Cup. Now I'll be seeing Jamaica in the World Cup if they make it. Big if. But today they played well. Granted, I think it's 3 groups. So you win the group, you're coming out as champions, you make it to the World Cup, right? I think the playoff thing is second best in terms of points out of the group. Go to a playoff, I think, to over Qatar place. That like something like that. I don't remember, but still we have to also win the group, and that's the key point right now. Winning the damn group. No, on the other side of it is the fault is that Trinidad and Curacao to some extent might want to exploit. There were moments in the game where the midfield was loose, fam.
That's the whole back page.
Very, very loose. We're talking about when the number 8 step up and the number 10 step up, the number 6 was dead by himself, and they weren't quick enough to get back to help him. Right? And we saw a couple of times when they lost the ball and Bermuda just on the transition just start attack right away, and our do chase the ball. If Bermuda did good, then we'll probably have scored 2 goals tonight. But that's another day. Remember just shit. But I'm hoping the next game, I don't know if it's Curacao or Trinidad. It doesn't matter who. We just have to get the 3 points. So whether that's Trinidad, Curacao, wherever. When you go there, I think the next game is in Jamaica. When you go there, take the 3 points and call it a day, bro. Take the 3 points and call it a day. But I'm not going to lie. This game was a good game. It was nice. I wasn't worried at all. I was cussing, you know, Billy Catty Body here, whatever you want to call himself. I was cussing Cephas because at the first two chances they get, Cephas to pass by man them score. They didn't. He didn't. Billy Catty Body over the year, the boy will reject Jamaica the other day. Him get about 4 chances missed. Why Jamaica pick him for start the team, I don't know. But that man for play for Jamaica. But yes, he's going to be on the team, and he's going to be in the team to go to the World Cup too. It's that the man is a goal scorer. He can't be a goal scorer, fam. He cannot be a goal scorer. He cannot be a goal scorer, fam. We don't talk. That listen, people. As we said, it was a good game. I'm happy that we won. Now we look forward to the next game. And yeah, looking forward to the World Cup. I can't wait to see what group we're in, where we're going to play, so we can buy me ticket right away. Right away. Best of yourself. Best of others. Manaz.